corpse reviver number 2, known as a hangover cure. However, 4 of these in quick succession will unrevive the corpse again. Sweet, lemony, and not too boozy. Perfectly balanced. So, let's make one. He begins by fetching a coupe glass and grabs his absinthe. But before, he must clean a piece of dust. He adds a small dash, and maybe another, and sets his absinthe aside. For this cocktail, he could spritz the absinthe, then add the absinthe to the cocktail, or simply coat the glass in the absinthe. This provides a small aromatic without affecting too much of the flavor. Perfect. He sets his coupe glass aside and grabs his pint glass. Why the pint glass? So that you can see. He grabs a lemon, or 2, or 3, and decides to juggle. Apparently, this is now the circus. But he only needs one. He grabs a knife and cuts his lemon in half. These lemons seem disappointingly small and unjuicy. As he squirts himself in the eye, he needs 3/4 of an ounce. However, squirting it all over the cutting board is not very efficient. This goes into the pint glass, and it cleans, because if not, ants. Maybe. He grabs his bottle of curaçao, in this case, Cointreau. This too requires 3/4 of an ounce into the pint glass. Then he grabs a very floral gin. Could use pretty much any gin, but this is the one he uses. 3/4 of an ounce. The classic cocktail calls for Lillet Blanc, 3/4 of an ounce. This is a white wine aperitif from somewhere in Europe. Who knows? Then, using his shaker cup made from the finest sword steel, and using the cloudiest of freezer ice, he combines his ingredients in the shaker cup. He caps it, and tries to stylishly shake it up. 10 to 20 seconds. Sets it down, and attempts to uncap it. The struggle is real. Eventually, after a few minutes, he manages to break it free, and lets out a sigh of relief. Grabbing his coupe glass, he pours out the excess absinthe. 1, because it's delicious, and 2, we don't need that much. He grabs a strainer and strains the cocktail into the glass. However, this beautifully fluorescent yet opaque cocktail is not yet complete. It needs a garnish. So he grabs an orange and peels a nice, long strip. He scrapes the rind and spritzes the top with the orange oil, and makes sure to rub the rim and the stem. Then he places the peel in the glass. And that is how you make a corpse reviver number 2. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe, and until next time, eat well.